Hi, Scott Murray here, Level 5 Tools. Thank you for clicking on to inquire about becoming a dealer. Your timing is perfect. We are currently seeking new dealers worldwide for the fastest growing line of automatic drywall taping and finishing tools and hand tools anywhere in the world. Level 5 was started over 24 years ago with a mission to build the best product we possibly could. It's taken us a while to get there, I have to be honest. This is not as easy as it sometimes looks. But we are always finisher first, and we are growing at a very fast rate. We need great dealer partners around the world, so it's our job to make sure we put you in the best position to win. Unlike any other company, we've spent 24 years working with finishers worldwide to develop the best possible products and to provide them to you at a fair price. Our goal is to put you in a position to win and win big. We want you to win from a margin standpoint. We're going to give you the most attractive margin that you can find from any tool company anywhere in the world. We're going to always ensure that you're on the leading edge of innovation. We pride ourselves on that. As I continue to say, we're a finisher first from the day we start to the day we finish. We have the best warranties in the world. We have the best customer service anywhere on earth. And we always ensure that you're going to get the highest quality product at the best possible price. So why Level 5? Well, if you have any drywall tools in your shop at all, you should have one of the two brands behind me representing, if not both, your drywall tool category. Level 5, again, on the leading edge of innovation. We constantly talk to finishers. Our mixer, patented. Our new welded knives, patent pending. Our brand new finishers that are coming out, just absolutely beautiful, high quality, CNC machine built aluminum. We have 12 CNC machines running 24/7 to ensure the highest quality product across the board. And our partnership with Stanley Black & Decker only enhances our offering to the dealer community with high quality products across the board. Our new Black Hawk, black anodized Hawk, scratch resistant, corrosion resistant, super easy to clean. The first innovation from a hawk and trowel standpoint in probably 100 years. But anyway, back to why to become a Level 5 dealer. At the end of the day, we want to drive traffic into your store. We're going to leverage our social media platforms, which you can see by looking online on our Facebook, Instagram, and our website. We have the most powerful voice in the finishing industry because we have the most powerful base of finishers worldwide. We will ensure we leverage that power, that social media power, to drive traffic into your store. Once the traffic's there, you're going to have the opportunity to sell them very high quality products that they're going to be satisfied with, and they're going to return to your store for repeat purchases over time. So best margin, best warranty, best customer service on earth. We're going to give you great prepaids on your freight. We're going to try to make this as easy as we possibly can. Again, we're seeking dealers worldwide. Join the Level 5 team today and start really putting some profit in your pocket. Welcome to the Red Zone.